Acne for a long time, as I can remember, has always been a problem for me. There just always seemed to be at least one blemish on my face at any given time. Though it's a lot better than it used to be, I'm still waiting for that moment when I can finally feel like I have clean skin, because my acne and scars have been an insecurity of mine for many years. I have been on the hunt of the perfect remedy for them. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that has many benefits for the skin. It's an alternative to conventional treatments. Tea tree oil can be used to treat conditions and symptoms that affect skin, nails, and hair. It can also be used as a deodorant, insect repellent, or mouthwash. When used topically, tea tree oil can treat certain skin conditions or improve the overall appearance of your skin. In this video, I will share an amazing home remedy that will remove acne spots overnight. But before starting the video, make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update in the future. So the ingredients to make this remedy are apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, and honey. Apple cider vinegar has no proven benefit for acne. However, anecdotal evidence suggests that it has skin-soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that may help in the treating of acne, and it helps in removing scars. Just put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a container. Now you will need to key ingredient tea tree oil. A study conducted at the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital, Australia, found that tea tree oil treated the subject's acne by reducing the number of inflamed and non-inflamed lesions. Although it took a longer time than benzoyl peroxide to show result, it also displayed comparatively fewer side effects. One thing to keep in mind that oxidized tea tree oil can irritate the skin and mucous membranes. It may also cause a burning sensation, itching, rashes, stunning sensation, and other allergic reactions. To prevent oxidation, store tea tree oil in a dark bottle away from sunlight and in dry places. Also, whenever you are buying tea tree oil, purchase a product with 5% or lower concentration to tea tree oil. A high concentration may cause adverse reaction. Just add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil to it. The last ingredient is honey. Honey is completely a natural and chemical-free solution used widely as a home remedy for managing acne and spots. Although researchers have studied honey for its dermatological and the therapeutic benefits, none of the studies are comprehensive and they need further evaluation. Moreover, only raw and unadulterated honey seem to work on the skin. Just add a tablespoon of honey to it and mix all ingredients very well. Apply it to your acne spots, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off later. You need to use tea tree oil for at least a month before you start seeing any result. If you do not notice any change in your condition after a month, discontinue use and consult your dermatologist. Thank you so much.